The mother and son who were shot dead by an off-duty policeman in Paniki, Tarlac, are laid to rest Sunday, December 27, a week after a video of their killing sparked public outrage. For the family of the victims, this year's holiday season took a tragic turn as they mourn and call for justice. The killer cop, Police Senior Master Sergeant Janelle Nuezca, shot 52-year-old Sonia Gregorio and her 25-year-old son Frank point-blank in broad daylight on December 20, 5 days before Christmas. Nuezca went to the Gregorios to investigate who was setting off an improvised cannon noisemaker. He tried to arrest Frank, but Sonia intervened. Nuezca shot them both. The shooting was captured on video and went viral on social media. The twin killings enraged Filipinos, but the police say the shooting was an isolated incident. Nuezca has been detained and charged with 2 counts of murder.